Hi everyone. I just wanted to make this video today because I wanted to talk about my first time experiencing and hearing the fire alarm in middle school. So the day that this unexpected event occurred was on January 29th, 2021, which was an extremely cold day. If anyone that lives in New Fairfield remembers this, please let me know in the comments below. I remember it was the worst day of my whole life, and I will tell you why. So, I'll tell you the story. I was with Mr. Cragen in the 6th grade hallway, and all of a sudden, I heard this noise that went, and I was like, what's happening? And I just saw the doors closing, and I was like, oh, is that the fire alarm? Then, when I saw the lights flashing, um, I knew it was. As soon as I knew it was the fire alarm, I was very scared and I was freaking out like I was having a heart attack because it was very, very loud. So we had to then wait near the nurse's office before we went outside, so they could probably get me a blanket because I forgot my coat. I just left it there because I was just too scared and I was panicking. While I was in the building, I was not calm in the way I should act if there is a real emergency. That's why I did not bring my coat with me. And after that, we finally got outside and they wrapped me up in blankets, and then we saw the fire department come, and they cleared the building. And the problem that day was guys working, in the pool mechanical room. They were installing a new fan motor, Dan Bowen said. And then he told me about that. Then, I then came back inside, and, right as soon as I got back inside, I said to the main office, and I think I said this: that was the loudest fire drill I have ever experienced in my whole life in New Fairfield schools. Then I spoke to my mom on the phone about that too, and Miss Mara's office. Name's now Miss Tolgren, but well, hopefully she watched my video. But yeah, then I just spent the whole rest of the day in there because I was so depressed and so sad. Um, I spent my last two classes in her office via Zoom and did my work that way. Yeah. So I think it was a very sad day for me, and very, very terrible day for a fire alarm because not only was it extremely loud, but it was also very extremely cold outside too. So yeah, that's all I have to say about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I guess I'll